because the law requires for chiefs of police that the PNP is supposed to submit to the mayor 5 names from where the mayor will choose his chief of police. You have reached the track, hindi mo alam yung batas mo? Did you follow the law? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Susubukan ko yung tigas mo, palalambutin ko. PD, under the law, the choice of the chief of police is vested in the mayor, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, bakit hindi mo sinunod yung batas?
Because I don't have enough officer na ibibigay na pagpipilian ng ating mayor, Your Honor.
Bakit? Ilang opisyal ba ang under mo?
Saan ba yun? Your Honor, during the election, I have only 34 officers out of 74 that should be assigned in
Sabi
Basilan,
mo kanina,
Your Honor.
PD, to cut you, nagmamadali ka na i-rotate mo yung mga officers mo. Tapos ngayon sasabihin mo sa akin, kulang ang opisyal mo. Nanggaling ako sa PNP, and I have occupied higher positions than you have had. You know. Kaya wag mo akong paglaruan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Are you the one who's supposed to give 3 names? From where did the 5 names come from for chiefs of police? Matanong nga kita. Saan nanggaling yung mga pangalan na 5 supposed to be?
In the provincial office, Your Honor.
Ikaw ang pumipili, hindi yung RD?
I am the provincial director, Your Honor, because it is under the municipal level na yun, sir.
Alam ko yun, pero hindi nanggagaling sa iyo yung pangalan. Nanggagaling sa opisina ng RD. Yung 5 pangalan na ibibigay mo sa mayor, because the law requires for chiefs of police that the PNP is supposed to submit to the mayor 5 names from where the mayor will choose his chief of police. That is the law. Alam mo ba yun?
Your Honor, what I know is...
Hindi, ang tinatanong ko lang, alam mo ba yun? Yes or no? You have reached the track, hindi mo alam yung batas mo?
Your Honor, I have different understanding on that, Your Honor.
You have different understanding.
Anong understanding niya?
Ano yung understanding mo, iyo?
Dahil kung yung sa municipal police station, sir, yung mga chief of police, ang mga i-recommend for chief of police ay manggagaling po sa provincial director.
Pero nag-submit ka ba ng 5 pangalan sa mayor pursuant to the requirements of law? Yun lang yung tinatanong ko eh.
As I have said...
Did you follow the law? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Oh, no. It is of record. And you're under oath, ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, I can charge you for doing such, for not following the law.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Iyo. Now, noong hindi mo sinunod, bakit hindi mo sinunod yung batas? Alam mo pala. What force you to violate the provision of law?
The lack of officers
Hey,
to be...
sabi mo lang kanina, kailangan mong i-rotate yung mga officers mo eh. And therefore, there are officers na i-rotate mo.
Yes, Your Honor, I have officers to be rotated, and it's not enough na magbigay ako ng 3 options sa mayor, Your Honor.
PD, I'll make a report of this to the Chief of the Philippine National Police. And bahala na ang Philippine National Police how they will deal with you criminally and administratively. Alalahanin mo, iho, ako po ay naging Inspector General ng PCINP at naging Chief ng CIDG. Kaya alam ko lang at lahat ng batas na mababiolate mo. Ano, iho? According to your statement, you knowingly violated the law. Inamin mo nga na binayolate mo yung batas. Under oath. you have other reasons. You should have compelling reasons to tell us why you did not follow the requirements of the law. Tama? Kasi for a PNP officer of that rank, full colonel at that, babiolate mo intentionally yung batas, that is something, iho, with your rank and stature. Naintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko sa'yo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi nagmamatigas ka pa eh. Pero susubukan ko yung tigas mo, palalambutin ko. And it may cost you your service. Now, Ardi, pakiclarify nyo nga po sa akin, yung kayo po ang nagbanggit yung Section 560
Yes, sir.
of 10294,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
diba? Ang title nun is Election-Related Incidents and Catastrophe. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. The following shall be observed in case of election-related violent incidents, acts of God, and other emergencies. So, this limits the application of 560.
Definitely, Your Honor.
Yes. Now, paragraph A, there is sabotage, explosion, equipment, robbery, and other similar circumstances. These
Yes.
are the only situations wherein you can transfer the polling center.
Yes,
Would
Your
that be
Honor.
correct?
Yes, Your Honor. But with similar circumstances, Your
You
Honor.
know, and other
Similar.
similar circumstances. Could you cite to me what circumstances are similar to sabotage?
I believe that killings would be a similar circumstance. But, Your Honor, please, if I may proceed, this is the first time that it was included in our
Yeah, I'm just asking you
This
kasi
particular
kayo po ang
provision,
kayo
Your
po
Honor.
dapat ang nakakalam ng meaning at saka intent or spirit of the law.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, di po ba? Kaya nga nagtatanong ako eh. Sabi ko nga for clarification eh. Kasi
Yes, Your
hindi
Honor.
ko rin maintindihan eh. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, what would be similar to explosion?
Maybe bombs found, although did not explode, but the effect would be the same, Your Honor. It would
Okay.
cause fear to everyone.
Yung equipment robbery, it's very specific. Equipment robbery. This equipment would refer to election paraphernalia.
Definitely, Your Honor.
Yeah. Now, nakalagay sa Section 560, Paragraph A, Subparagraph 1, nakalagay, if required to leave the precinct. What does that mean?
Actually, as I have said, pointed out a while ago, I want to point it out, Your Honor, that this is the first time that it was included in this COMELEC resolution. In fact, included even on the general instructions. Kaya we don't have any particular examples in the past. This is the first time, actually.
So in other words,
It's only, the commission in back only is the only authorized. But because of this inclusion, we were actually surprised on this, Your Honor.
well,
This is actually a sort of a vagueness on this particular provision. If required to leave the precinct, who will require them
yes,
to?
that's my question.
Maybe if you're going to analyze it, if the circumstances would require for them to leave the precinct just to preserve their safety, that would be the instance, Your Honor. But as I've said, no exact
That's why I
definition.
premise my question on would this be the circumstances that would shall we say, necessitate the transfer of the polling center? Di ba sabi niyo, opo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
So, in other words, if we read the 560 paragraph A subparagraph 1, if required to leave the precinct, in other words, it refers to the circumstances.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Marino Alambat, napaka-skillful talaga sa question ng itong si Kong Akop pagdating investigation. Wala pa akong nakita na kapantay niya. Mabuhay ka Kong Akop. Pahayag naman ni Venancio Agustin, galing ni Congressman Akop, sana ganito ang iboboto nyo, walang kinikilingan at napakatalino pa. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Jeremil Pilongo, gusto ko si Kong Akop mag-imbestiga. Kasi alam niya yung sinasabi at tinatanong niya. Sinusukat niya rin kung hanggang saan ang knowledge ng iniimbestigahan niya. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.